Wait, Max. Where is it?
Yes. Thank you for your You gotta help me. Two guys after me.
What's the matter? Store wouldn't take your stolen credit card. Let's see what the police have to say about this.
Peter! Oh God. Come here, Frito. He barked at Frito. It's Frito, not me. Okay, stop. Frito's like, hey! Hey! Okay, Colin, stop.